Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carroll County and east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northeastern Harrison County and east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, Hancock County and northern West Virginia, northeastern Brooke County and northern West Virginia until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near Leesville Lake Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Locations impacted include Leesville Lake Park, CO, Bowerston, Delroy, Kilgore, Burgolds, Richmond, Hammondsville, Wellsville, New Cumberland, Tomlinson Run State Park, New Manchester. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
This is NOAA weather.